We go to a primetime news exclusive now. The mother of the late Jodian has broken her silence about the circumstances which led to her daughter's death. Portia Green Horton arrived in the island on Wednesday, and as Kirk right now reports, she's on a mission to get justice for her daughter.
This final glimpse of Jodian, who died less than 24 hours after it was seen at the Spanish Town Hospital, is maybe one of the most painful but lasting memory the public will have of her. Jodian's mother, Portia Green Horton, was expecting her daughter to have a smooth delivery. She was overseas when Jodian checked into the Angels Memorial Hospital to have her baby. She may not have been there physically, but Mrs. Horton says she remained on the phone with her daughter as she settled in at the private health facility.
Also remember when she got to the hospital, as soon as she got onto the Wi-Fi, we were connected. And I was just reflecting on the fact that she was showing me her environment, the way she set up. She showed me she took her shower. She was in her bed.
Mrs. Horton says it wasn't long after that Jodian began relating some heartbreaking experiences she was facing at the hospital.
And she said they were discriminating against her because they thought she may have had COVID-19. And she says to me, "Mommy, pray for me because I can't breathe. Pray for me." And she got up off the bed and I said, "Lay back in the bed, Joe." I said to her, "Lay back in the bed." And she said, "Okay, Mommy." And then I hung up because in that moment I knew I couldn't help her.
It was already painful that her mother was not able to be there with her, and just before she severed the call, Jodian said this to her mother.
"Help me, Mommy, please. Pray for me." Those are the last words.
Mrs. Horton says she has had a hard life and that she became a single mother at age 16. She says Jodian loved the writing and she was hoping Jodian would have been around to help chronicle her story in a book.
That dream has been snatched. I have been robbed of that dream because of a group of insensitive, heartless, selfish people.
Mrs. Horton says she wants justice for her daughter and will be paying special attention to the Prime Minister's call for criminal investigation.
I hope he makes the right move. He promised that he will make sure that justice be served, and I'm holding him to his word, and I trust that he will execute the right thing.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.